There's a moment that happens to all of us as we get older. A quiet realization that things don't move quite the way they used to. Maybe it's that extra second it takes to get out of bed in the morning, or the way your energy dips a little sooner than it did a decade ago. And if you've ever found yourself thinking, is this just how it's supposed to be now? I want you to know something important. It doesn't have to be. I'm here to tell you that aging isn't about losing your spark. It's about learning how to keep it burning brighter than ever. And the secret? It's not in a pill or a complicated regimen. It's in the simple, everyday choices we make, especially the foods we eat. Today, we're going to talk about 4 incredible fruits that can help you reclaim your vitality, improve circulation, and bring back a sense of closeness you might have thought was gone for good. These aren't exotic superfoods or expensive supplements. They're humble, delicious fruits you might already have in your kitchen. And the best part? They work whether you're 60, 70, or beyond. Let's start with the first one, a fruit so common, most of us overlook its power. Red grapes, the flow restorer. There's a reason red grapes have been cherished for centuries, and it's not just their sweet, juicy flavor. Hidden inside those little ruby-colored skins is a compound called resveratrol, and it's like a love letter to your blood vessels. As we age, our circulation isn't what it used to be. Maybe you've noticed cold hands and feet, or that it takes longer to feel in the mood. That's because blood flow slows down, especially to the areas that need it most. But resveratrol steps in like a gentle mechanic, helping your blood vessels relax and open up. The result? More oxygen-rich blood reaching every corner of your body, including the places that reignite passion and energy. For men, this can mean stronger, more reliable erections. For women, it's about renewed sensitivity and comfort. And for both, it's the return of something deeper, the warmth of connection, the confidence of feeling like yourself again. The beauty of red grapes is how effortless they are. A handful as an afternoon snack tossed into a salad, or even frozen for a sweet treat. They're nature's way of reminding you that good health doesn't have to be complicated. But grapes are just the beginning. Because the next fruit on our list doesn't just support circulation, it protects one of your body's most vital systems, one that quietly shapes your intimacy and energy more than you might realize. Cranberries, the kidney guardian. If you've ever dismissed cranberries as just a tart holiday side dish, it's time to rethink them. These little red gems are fierce defenders of your kidneys and urinary tract, 2 areas that play a surprising role in your vitality as you age. Here's why this matters. When your kidneys aren't functioning at their best, toxins build up. Inflammation creeps in, and for many that leads to discomfort, low energy, and a quiet withdrawal from intimacy. But cranberries contain powerful compounds that act like a cleanup crew, sweeping away bacteria and reducing inflammation where it matters most. For men, healthier kidneys mean better blood pressure and nitric oxide production, 2 keys to strong erections. For women, it's about comfort, fewer urinary annoyances, and the freedom to enjoy closeness without hesitation. And the best way to enjoy them. Unsweetened cranberry juice in the morning, a sprinkle of dried cranberries on your oatmeal, or even fresh ones blended into a smoothie. It's a small habit with a big payoff, one that lets you focus on connection, not discomfort. Now, let's talk about a fruit that doesn't just support your body. It awakens it. There's something truly special about the way food can make us feel. Not just full, but alive. And if there's one fruit that embodies that feeling, it's the papaya. Sweet, golden, and almost buttery in texture, it's like sunshine in fruit form. But what you might not realize is just how powerful this tropical treasure can be for reigniting energy and passion as we age. Papaya, the energy awakener. A few years ago, I met a man in his late 60s, a retired teacher who loved his daily walks, but still felt like something was missing. He told me, "I eat well, I stay active, but I just don't have the spark I used to." Sound familiar? That's when we introduced papaya into his routine. Just a cup in the morning, blended with a little yogurt. Within weeks, he came back with a smile I hadn't seen before. "I feel like myself again," he said. So, what makes papaya so remarkable? It's packed with enzymes like papain that help your body break down food more efficiently, reducing bloating and inflammation. But more than that, it's loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, nutrients that support healthy testosterone levels in men and balanced hormones in women. For men, that can mean stronger erections and more stamina. For women, it's about increased sensitivity and comfort. And for both, it's that quiet but unmistakable return of energy, the kind that makes you want to take on the day or the evening with a little more enthusiasm. The best part? Papaya is effortless to enjoy. Scoop it fresh, blend it into a smoothie, or even add it to a tropical fruit salad. It's not medicine. It's just delicious food that happens to make you feel years younger. But what if I told you there's a fruit that doesn't just boost your body, but also helps you sleep better? Another key to intimacy and vitality. Cherries. The intimacy booster. There's something almost magical about cherries. Maybe it's their deep, dark red color, like little jewels. Or maybe it's the way they make you slow down, savoring each one. But beyond their taste, cherries are one of nature's best-kept secrets for restoring passion and connection. Here's why. Cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. And when you sleep better, your whole body works better. Your mood improves, your stress levels drop, and yes, your desire for intimacy naturally increases. But cherries don't stop there. They're also packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation in your blood vessels. That means better circulation to all the right places. For men, firmer erections. For women, heightened sensitivity. And for couples, it's the difference between going through the motions and feeling every moment again. I'll never forget one couple in their 70s who started eating a handful of cherries every evening. At first, they didn't expect much, but after a few weeks they told me, "It's like we're rediscovering each other." That's the power of something as simple as a cherry. You can enjoy them fresh when they're in season, frozen in a smoothie, or even as a tart juice. Just watch for added sugars. However you take them, they're a gentle, delicious way to remind your body what it's still capable of. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I actually make it part of my life? That's exactly what we'll cover next. Simple, practical ways to bring these fruits into your daily routine without any stress or hassle. You know, sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simplest shifts, the small daily choices that quietly add up to something extraordinary. And when it comes to reclaiming your energy, circulation, and intimacy after 60, it doesn't have to mean overhauling your life or forcing down foods you don't enjoy. It's about working with your body, not against it. So let's talk about how to make these 4 fruits, red grapes, cranberries, papaya, and cherries, a seamless part of your routine. Because the easier it is, the more likely you are to stick with it. And that's when the real magic happens. Making it simple. How to start today. The key is to begin gently, without pressure. You don't need to eat all 4 fruits every single day. Start with the one that appeals to you most, or the one that feels easiest to find. Maybe it's keeping a bowl of red grapes on the counter for when you want something sweet, or stirring a handful of dried cranberries into your morning oatmeal. Small steps lead to big changes. Here's a tip. Pair these fruits with habits you already have. Love your afternoon tea? Have a few cherries with it. Enjoy yogurt for breakfast? Add some diced papaya. Before long, it won't feel like an effort. It'll just be part of the rhythm of your day. And don't worry about perfection. Miss a day? No problem. This isn't about strict rules. It's about giving your body the nutrients it craves to feel its best. Over time, you might notice little things. Warmer hands and feet, deeper sleep, or a renewed sense of closeness with your partner. Those are the signs that it's working. The bigger picture. It's about more than just fruit. While these fruits are powerful, they're part of something even bigger. Choosing to believe that your later years can be vibrant, passionate, and full of connection. Too often, we're told that aging means slowing down in every way. But that's not the whole story. Your body is still capable of incredible things. It might just need the right fuel and the right mindset. So as you reach for those grapes or cherries, remind yourself, this is me choosing to feel good. This is me investing in my joy. And if you're sharing this journey with a partner, make it something you do together. Blend papaya into a smoothie for two. Share a bowl of cherries in the evening. It's not just about the physical benefits. It's about nurturing the connection between you. A final thought. You're not done yet. If there's one thing I've learned from decades of working with people over 60, it's this. The desire to feel alive, to love deeply, and to enjoy your body doesn't fade with age. It just sometimes needs a little encouragement. These 4 fruits are that encouragement. They're nature's way of saying, I've got you. And the best part? They're not a temporary fix. They're a lifelong gift, one that keeps giving with every bite. So tomorrow, when you're at the grocery store or in your kitchen, take a moment to choose one of these fruits. Not because you have to, but because you deserve to feel good. You deserve energy, warmth, and connection. And you deserve to know that the best years aren't behind you. They're still unfolding, one delicious, juicy bite at a time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these fruits are you most excited to try? Or maybe you've already noticed a difference from adding them to your diet. Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to take that first step. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple science-backed ways to thrive after 60. Because you're not just aging, you're living. And that's something to celebrate. Here's to your health, your happiness, and the vibrant life ahead of you.